Good morning guys, it's Carrie from Garden Rudiments. I'm running a little late on my September Ultimate Succulent Club unboxing from Mountain Crest Gardens, so that's what we're going to do today. Get these out of the box and get them planted in the fountain. So stay with me till the end so you can see them in the fountain. So as I said before, this is the September unboxing. These have been sitting in my breakfast room just like this. I opened them so that some sunlight could get into them. I haven't watered them. I haven't even taken them out of the box. So we're going to pull these out and see how they're looking. And as usual, Mountain Crest Gardens does a great shipment. I love these paper cones that they're using to keep everything contained in the box and not lose a lot of soil mix. And then you always have informational packets on their programs, on the quality of their plants, and then you get a card that tells about each plant that you get. So this month it's all sempervivums. We're going to have a hedgehog, a blue moon, a moss rose, and a bronze pastel. So I'm going to do my best to pull out which one that I think is which, but that's going to be kind of hard because you know with Semps, they all kind of look alike. So I'm going to pull out one that, and again we have hedgehog, blue moon, moss rose, and bronze pastel. Now I always love seeing what's in here. This is one of the best parts. Oh, and while I'm thinking about it, I have been asked to be a Mountain Crest Gardens ambassador. So I'm really excited about that. So you'll be seeing a link. So I will be one of their affiliates and can earn a little income from promoting Mountain Crest Gardens, which I've been using them now for well over a year. Look at these beautiful Semps. Aren't they gorgeous? Wonderful bonus gift. So talking about Mountain Crest Gardens, none of the videos that I've done so far from Mountain Crest Gardens are, I wasn't an affiliate. I get nothing from them from doing them. I just love the quality of their products. I love being in the Ultimate Succulent Club. It helps me to grow my collection, and they're very reasonably priced and great quality. So I do recommend them without being an affiliate. So if you're interested in becoming a member of the Ultimate Succulent Club, or just making a purchase, I highly recommend Mountain Crest Gardens. You've seen me, I have one video that I'll put a link up to that shows a huge cutting box that I ordered. And you'll see what I did with those plants. And I got a lot of beautiful cuttings. And as best I can remember, all of them made it. I didn't lose any of those. So the cuttings is a great way to go also, and then you just root those yourself. And they're a great way to do large arrangements where you need a lot of plants. So. And I'm actually doing these, the three little bonus gifts. I'm putting these in a grouping, and then I want them to spread like that and put on babies in a grouping. And then where I had lost a couple of Semps when I first planted these, and I think I showed those in one of the videos. I'm just going to spread these out and fill in some areas. Then I'm pulling up one of the others that was in there, and I'm going to move it to make room for this new one. And I'm just going to make sure that I cover up the roots. And I know y'all can't see this, but I will bring you around to show you the other side. And you're probably going to hear my chimes. We have a little bit of breeze, which is making this heat. And I'm also pulling off some of the root ball of this. And all my little babies fell off when I did that. So we're going to make sure they're stuck in the ground. Now I haven't watered these, so they do need watering. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to wait till the heat of the day is gone, because they're not like regular plants where they're struggling to take up water with the heat of the day. They will close up their pores and conserve their water, and then they will take up water as it cools off. So all I'm doing is just making sure that I get the roots down and get the roots covered. So they're basically just sitting on top of the soil, and then they will do the rest. So this is one of the new plants. These are the 3 bonus gifts that came. This is one of the new plants, and I'm going to keep an eye on these. I don't want to lose these because I've had problems with my Septs this year. They've kind of wanted to rot on me. But these, you can see, are in sun. And then we have one more set back behind the jade there. But you can see the rest of these have done really well. They acclimated. The sedum on top has done really well. And then I'll show you the rest of the fountain. See how well all of them are doing? And so this is the end of September. And y'all know what happens. I have to pull all of these out on this bottom tier and take them into the greenhouse. But anyway, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next segment of Garden Rudiments.